Welcome. Today we delve into KeePass, a free open source password manager. It helps you manage your passwords securely. Instead of remembering numerous passwords, you only need to remember one master password or select a key file. KeePass stores all your passwords in an encrypted database. This means your passwords are secure even if your device is stolen or hacked. KeePass is available on multiple platforms, making it versatile and convenient. With KeePass you can generate strong unique passwords for all your accounts, enhancing your online security. KeePass has several notable features. It uses the most secure encryption algorithm available, AES 256, to keep your passwords safe. It also allows for two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. It's highly customizable, enabling you to organize passwords, create templates, and even modify the user interface. KeePass supports password groups for better organization. It also has a password generator that helps you create strong, unique passwords. Furthermore, KeePass supports automatic form filling and autotype to quickly log into websites. One of the biggest advantages of KeePass is its pricing. It's completely free. Yes, you heard it right. It's an open source software, meaning it's developed by a community of volunteers, and it's free to download and use. You can even modify its source code if you have the technical know-how. This makes KeePass an excellent option for those on a budget or those who prefer open source software. KeePass is ideal for individuals who manage multiple online accounts. It's perfect for those who value security and privacy, as it doesn't store your passwords on a cloud server. KeePass is also suitable for businesses, as it allows for password sharing among teams. It's also a good fit for tech-savvy users who appreciate the flexibility and customization options that come with open source software. KeePass's portability makes it a good choice for those who often switch between devices. KeePass has many advantages. Its robust security features, including AES 256 encryption and two-factor authentication, ensure your passwords are secure. It's free and open source, offering a level of transparency and flexibility that proprietary software can't match. It doesn't require an internet connection to function, which is both a privacy advantage and a convenience feature. KeePass's customizable and user-friendly interface is also a plus. Lastly, it's a lightweight application, so it won't slow down your device. Despite its strengths, KeePass has some limitations. Its interface, while customizable, can be overwhelming for beginners. It doesn't have native apps for mobile devices, so you have to rely on unofficial ports. It doesn't offer cloud syncing out of the box, which can be a hassle if you frequently switch devices. Lastly, because it's open source, it doesn't offer official customer support. You'll have to rely on community forums for help if you encounter any issues. In summary, KeePass is a secure, free, and open source password manager. It offers robust security features like AES 256 encryption and two-factor authentication. It's highly customizable and doesn't require an internet connection to function. However, it can be overwhelming for beginners, lacks native mobile apps, and doesn't offer official customer support. It's a powerful tool for those who value security, privacy, and customization. In conclusion, KeePass is a robust and reliable password manager. Its security features, customization options, and open source nature make it a solid choice for many users. However, its user interface and lack of official support may deter some. Like all tools, it isn't perfect, but it's a strong contender in the password management field. We recommend giving it a try to see if it suits your needs. Thank you for joining us to learn about KeePass. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more thorough reviews. Your support helps us continue to deliver quality content. Until next time, stay safe online.